Alright, so back by myself. No cameraman, tripod only. Okay, so this is one of those split jamb doors I was telling you about, okay? It already comes with trim on both sides. The jambs come apart. I'm going to come grab that camera. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. Without stopping. Damn. Alright, so this is my door. It's already got trim on it. Okay, it's pretty plain, but you can order different trims if you want to spend the money. If you don't want to spend the money, basic trim like this, okay? Alright, comes with two nails. One here, one there-ish, and some staples. The staples, don't take those off yet. The staples are the ones that hold the two jambs together, okay? This side and this side come off. That's each side of the wall, okay? It comes apart. The nails are actually holding the door in place, all right? So I'm gonna actually leave that alone, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the staple. Sometimes they're on both sides. Take a look. I don't see one. Oh, there it is. Okay, so you're gonna pull these staples out with some pliers. Okay, I got these bad boys right here. Okay, I'm gonna grab this staple, pull it out. I'm gonna go to the other side, find my staple, pull it out. Okay, now I should be able to take this jamb apart. Alright, so staples are out, jambs should come apart, okay? Sometimes they stick them up top, but sometimes they don't. I already looked, they didn't. So, I'm gonna take this jamb, I'm gonna just tap it a little with my foot or my hand, something. Okay, be nice and gentle so you don't break your trim. Comes right apart, okay? Little tap, tap, taparoo, like Chubbs. Tap, taparoo. Tap, tap, taparoo. Okay, separated my jamb. Here it is. Here's my frame with trim. That's a jamb. Jamb and trim. I'm gonna put it over here. Okay. Here's my door. Now it depends. Depends if you want a left swing or a right swing. Okay? So, there's right-handed doors, left-handed doors. Make sure when you go to the store, you know what you're talking about when you want a right hand or a left hand. So basically, the easiest way, put your back against the jamb. If I want the door to open in, with my back against the jamb, this would be a right hand. Okay? If the door opens that way, towards the camera, my back's against the jamb, it's a left hand. Left hand door. Left hand 3068. Or right hand 3068. I put my back on this side, and I go towards the camera with my right hand, it's a right hand. Still. If I go this way and I open in towards the bedroom or towards the playroom or whatever, that's a left hand, opening in. Okay? Back to the jamb all the time. That's how you figure out what a swing is. Okay? You open your door in your house. You find out which way the door swings, wherever the hinges are. Put your back on that. Which way does it go? Does it open that way? It's a left. Does it open this way? It's a right. That's how you figure out left hand, right hand. Okay? So, I'm going to get this thing in place. All right? Looks like I have a right hand. Okay? I have a right hand door. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this thing in, and it's going to open towards the camera. Okay? So, I take this thing. I spin it around. I slide it in place. Okay, put it in my opening, kick it in, all right, here's my hinges, 1, 2, 3, it's going to swing this way, I can already tell, it's already got the nails in there, it's going to swing like this, okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a couple nails in this trim, okay. This is going to hold this thing. I'm going to grab my level, I'll put a couple nails in, it's going to hold this side. Don't nail it crazy, just a couple. Make sure it's level. And then I'm going to take this side, I'm going to pull it out just a little bit, just pull it out a little, and then I'm going to pop those nails. Grab my hammer, pull the nails out. Now this door will be free. Okay, so this nice reveal, this nice little 3/16 gap or 1/4 inch gap that you see all the way around, it's supposed to be the same all the way around your door, that reveal. That's going to change now. Okay? Once I pull these nails, this door is going to drop. It's going to want to drop. Okay? That's why I only nail that one side. I only put a couple nails. Depending on my floor and on my level, I might have to pop that side up. That's why I don't nail it too hard. or I might have to pop this side up, use my flat bar, pop it up. But what I'm looking for is the same reveal on the hinge side. This looks like 3/16 or so. I want that same opening line all the way around. If it's not, that door's gonna be crooked. When you go to open it, it's gonna rub, or it's gonna get caught, okay? You gotta make sure that this side's level, tacked, pull the nails, and then once you pull those nails, you'll be able to lift this side of the jamb. You'll see, I'll be able to lift it up and down, or I have to shim that side, either or, okay? Little funky, just gotta take your time, all right? All right, so the door's in place, okay? What I'm gonna do is grab my level. I'm gonna check my hinge side, put it right against the hinge, okay? It's pretty good, all right? So, grab my gun, I'm gonna tack it. Just enough to hold it, okay? So it doesn't move. All right? Once I tack it in place so it doesn't fall down on my head, I'm gonna come on this side, okay? There's a nail in here. Those nails I showed you earlier, I'm gonna pull those out with my hammer, all right? When I pull these out, this reveal might change. This door might drop, okay? It may drop, which means I could take a flat bar or whatever and pull up on the opposite side, and then bring this up, okay? Because I want to keep that reveal. You want your door level, but you also want that reveal right, okay? With your trim. All right, once that reveal's nice all the way around, your door's not gonna rub, okay, with these split jam doors. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this out. If it moves a little bit, I can adjust, okay? Because I didn't nail it really hard. I didn't put 100 nails in the thing yet, okay? So I pull it out just enough. Pull my nail, okay? The jam looks pretty good. Actually, looks really good, okay? Pop a couple caps. Wow, wow. All right, so now we're on the back side. The front side's already been nailed up. The trim's nailed all the way around. Door's level, reveal is good. So now I'm gonna fill in these gaps, okay? On the hinge side, I wanna fill in with shims, okay? You can get shingles, you can buy packs of shims. If it's big enough, you can use plywood, whatever. So on the hinge, I put these shims in on each hinge, okay? I don't jam them in, but I put them so they're snug, not so they're pushing out or nothing, okay? I put them in just snug, not like forcing them in. I don't want them too tight because then it's gonna push my jam over and mess my door up. On this side, same thing. This gap was a little bigger. This is the opposite side. I used plywood because the gap was bigger, so I tacked that in with my gun. I used 2 pieces of 1/2 inch. Same thing on the bottom, a couple of shims. Once I get these in, everything's happy, everything's nailed up and tacked. I'll cut this excess off. All right, so here we are, close up. So put my shims right at my hinge, my middle hinge, my bottom hinge. I just snugged it up. I didn't jam them in. They're just snugged so they just fit. Not enough to push this and push it this way and mess my door up, okay? Same thing. This side was a little wider, so I used some plywood with a couple of shims, okay? See how this thing gives you plenty of room, all right? Gives you plenty of room with that RO. You add that 2 1/2, it gives you plenty of room all the way around. I can add insulation. I can shim up top. My top's a little bit big, but that's fine. You want to have enough room in case your floor is really out of whack. I didn't have to move it up as much, even though my vine's a little bit, it's not perfect. But anyway, you see that gap. I can insulate all the way around that thing. Or if my door's out of level, I can rack it this way, that way, lift it up, down. So, plenty of space. Last part of this, we're going to put the jam on. The split jam. We're going to finish this thing up. Alright, so they make these doors for 2x6 walls and 2x4 walls. Okay? What you want to do is make sure that you buy the right door for the right size wall. Okay? Make sure you're not buying a 2x4 split jam door to fit in a 2x6 wall, or vice versa. 2x6 to fit in a 2x4. Okay? Doors in, doors level, it's shimmed up, nailed up. Put my split jam in now. Okay? All it does, it slides right in the grooves. Okay? It's the same way I took it apart, the same way I put it back. Okay? Line it up, slide it in. Sometimes you gotta whack it a little bit. Okay. Use my hammer, but I don't hit too hard. I want to put some big dents in this bad boy. Okay. I don't want to have to repair more than I have to on a brand new door. Okay. Once this thing is in, same thing as in the other side. Okay. Couple nails. You don't have to kill it. It's an interior door. There's no weight on it. Couple nails every 16 or so. Couple nails. Okay. All the way down. Same thing on this side. Nail across the top and be done. Okay. All right, one last thing, because I opened up my door. These little spacers, little cardboard pieces, they keep these in between your door and the jamb. Okay? The nails hold these tight. That's the space you're going to have all the way around between your trim and your door, okay? All the way around. It covers just enough so you don't see light, okay? Don't peel these off till you're done. Once you're done, your door looks great. You open the door like I did, okay? You open this door, then you take these off. Everything looks beautiful. All right, so door's up, reveal's good, door works great. I have a quick set lock from my friend, my buddy that hooked me up, okay? There's a bunch of stuff in here, there's directions. If you've never done these, you'll think it's a big deal. It's not, okay? You got this piece. You got this piece. You got that. And you got that. That's pretty much it. You go to Home Depot, Lowe's, any of those stores, it's pretty much what you're going to get. This type of lock, real simple. Different colors, different styles, regular handles. These are called levers. Not a big deal, okay? I'm going to show you how to put this in real quick. All right, so first thing, open your door. Okay. Open this box up without going crazy. They make a square and they make a circular edge, okay? If my door is circular edge, which usually they are, I'm going to use this one. If they're square, I'll use this one. This one's circular, that's what I'm using, okay? Couple baby screws, circle, lock, okay? Put this in, slide it in the hole, grab my screw gun, take the two little screws, easy, okay? This part right here, okay, this piece right here, I want to make sure that the way that it's opening is flat. It's the flat part. One side's rounded, the latch, the other side's flat. So if I'm opening it this way, I want the flat side facing this way so that it catches and locks. Until you turn the handle, then it goes through. If not, if you put the rounded edge, it just opens up every single time. Okay, so I got this piece in here. Next part is this one. This is the latch. This is what it catches. Okay. I get two more little screws for that one. So you usually get 4 little screws in a box. 2 for that first piece that goes in, that catches, and 2 for this piece. Okay. This thing already comes rounded. That's the great part about these split jams. They're already ready to go. Put this piece in. You will have to adjust sometimes. Sometimes you can put it in, you get lucky, you don't have to do anything, okay? I'm not going to shut it yet because I'll get locked out and I'll have to mess with this thing, okay? Next part. All right, so basically, you push this button right here, the latch. You push that, you fit this thing right in there, okay? The holes all line up. My handle's in, okay? like so. Okay? Take my other handle. Actually, I take this piece as the lock, privacy lock, and I slide that over this first, okay? Line up the rounded edges, okay? I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's just pretty good, okay? Pretty self-explanatory. You could read the directions, but you really don't have to. They're not that hard, okay? Lock's gonna be on whatever side you want. Flip the handle around. If you want the lever facing down, goes like this. If you want the lever handle facing up, there's a little push pin. You find it, you stick a little needle or a little piece of wire in there and you push it and you pull this handle out and then you swap them and then you put this handle on that side. Okay, so whatever way you want the lever, this way or this way. Okay, so these are in place. I got my lever facing this way. It's working. I reach in, now you grab the longest screws in the package will be for the ones that connect each side together because it's got to go through the whole thing, okay? I run these through. You'll see them, you can line them up pretty good. Once I get them lined up, grab my screwdriver or screw gun. Whatever you do, don't go too fast because you'll end up stripping it. Nice and easy. I usually do a little bit on one side, a little bit on the other side. Make sure it's snug, make sure it's not too tight. If it's too tight, I just back it off a little tiny bit. Okay. Just enough, okay? Take this piece slides over. Okay, there's a little tiny groove. Usually lines up with a little tiny groove on that thing, slaps in, and then I take this, slides right over that button, okay? Usually locks right in there. Okay. You're in. I have a lock, okay? I don't know if you can see that, but look, right there. Okay? I want the handles facing the other way. If I want them going the opposite way, like I said, there's a little push pin. You push the pin, hold on to the thing, pull the handle off. Do the same on this side. They just swap. And that way your handle will be facing that way. But usually it's this way for a lever. Perfect for a nice German Shepherd or a little boxer mix like I have, Cato, Crazy Cato. They like to jump up and open my doors. Okay? Bedroom doors, bathroom doors, my mother and father-in-law's house when they don't lock the door. When I watch TV, okay? But anyway, locks in, easy. Took me 2 seconds. I put a bunch on, so it's not that hard, but, okay? Shut the door, it locks. I'm pulling, it ain't going nowhere. Push the lever down, open the door. All right, the end of the video. Hanging a split jamb door, okay? Door locks. Door opens. Locks from the other side. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Johnny Works. I'm here to help, baby. Hanging a split jamb door. This door is done. Just like St. Louis tonight. Go Bruins. Johnny Works.